Good morning. We have today's first topic of the first chapter, that is characteristics of living organisms. Characteristics of living organisms. Living organisms. In this topic, we will understand why living organisms are considered as living. On what basis we can say that living organisms are living. So there are 7 different characteristic features. On those characteristics we can say that a living organism is a living organism. We can write here there are 7 basic characteristic features. Basic characteristics. So to remember those characteristics, we have here a simple formula for that. It's a trick there. So we can write here that is called as Mrs. Gren. Mrs. Gren. MRS GREN. So M here, M stands for the first characteristic feature, that is moment. Moment. So what does this moment mean? It is the change in position or place by an organism. Place by an organism. That's called as moment. And second characteristic feature we have, that is, this is M. Now there is R. R stands for respiration. Respiration, if you see, it is breakdown of glucose to release energy. That is R. And then there is S. S stands for sensitivity. What does sensitivity means? It is the ability of an organism to respond to a stimulus. After that we have another, that is G, and Gren. G stands for growth. If you see growth is permanent increase in, or we can say irreversible increase in size and mass of an organism. That stands for growth. After that we have another term here, that's R. R stands for reproduction. Reproduction means the ability of an organism organism to reproduce and produce fertile offsprings. Produce fertile offsprings. That is reproduction. After R, we have E. E stands for excretion. Excretion. What is excretion? Excretion is a removal of toxic wastes. Wastes and materials in excess or harmful to our body, which are harmful to our body. That's called excretion. And then there stands for N. N is the seventh characteristic feature which stands for nutrition. Nutrition is taking in of food, or we can say nutrients for growth, for energy and repair of the body. Repair. So these are the seven characteristic features of living organisms. On that basis, we can say a living organism is living and a non-living is a non-living. So what are the characteristic features? There are seven. There is a formula to remember this, that is Mrs. Gren, MRSGREN. M stands for moment, R stands for respiration, S stands for sensitivity, G stands for growth, R stands for production, E stands for excretion, and N stands for nutrition. Thank you for the class.